your thoughts on Smooch. So can you please share some words on Smooch with us?
I think more than my words, it's very important that everybody gets a taste of it. For me, it is genuinely a gut-friendly drink, and I honestly believe that health starts from the gut, and that's why you always say a gut feeling. जब आदमी नर्वस होता है कहीं जाता है तो यहीं पर गड़बड़ होता है और यहीं से हेल्थ की गड़बड़ भी शुरू होती है और इंसान ठीक भी होता है. So I think this is one drink that is going to be healthy and you could replace with it with a lot of drinks. तो बच्चों के लिए अच्छा है, बुजुर्गों के लिए अच्छा है, हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Instead of having all the other so-called addictive drinks, of course लोगों को बहुत सारी drinks पसंद है, to each his own. लेकिन ये एक healthy option जो हम लेके आ रहे हैं उससे I think बहुत फर्क पड़ जाएगा. Because anyways whatever I do look into, I make sure कि जब किसी चीज़ को हम बेचने की कोशिश करते हैं हम खुद भी उसे कंज्यूम करना ज़रूरी है और उसमें बिलीव करना ज़रूरी है. तो इसीलिए I think Smooch will work, Kombucha will work. Kombucha is known to work all over the world anyways.
Alright, thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful words. But before we proceed with the press conference, I have few questions for you, and I'm sure they're very fun and very interactive. So the first question goes: if you could pair Smooch with any food, what would be your top pick?
With breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Very good answer. So that's really healthy that you can have it anytime and
Absolutely. I mean, बहुत लोगों को आदत है कि खाने के साथ कुछ drink चाहिए. And if one had to take a drink, I would definitely opt for Smooch. Not because I'm a part of it, because it's healthy.
Alright, thank you so much. So the next question that goes, if, that's my favorite question, if Shyam from Hera Ferry had to convince Babu Rao to try Smooch, what would he say to him?
ले रे बाबा.
Alright, if you could drink only one flavor of Smooch throughout your life, which flavor would it be?
I won't have made sure that Neeraj and the entire team make 6 flavors and we're looking for more. Why would I drink one? So I'm definitely going for all 6 because I really like it. There's tulsi, lemon, curry. There's so much and it's tasty
Absolutely.
and healthy.
I'm sure. And last question, if you could create a special edition flavor of Smooch inspired by one of your movies, what would it be called and what would it taste like?
Border. And it will taste good because Smooch crosses all borders. It's a drink for anybody, anywhere in the world. So I'd call it Border.
Wonderful. A big round of applause for Sir. A lovely answers. And now I would like to call upon the brains, as I say, the founders, Mr. and Mrs. Manik here. And I have just 2 questions for both of you. Can we get the mics for them, please? Alright, so one of the question is, what's the most unusual ingredient that you've experimented with in your brewing process?
Well, I think Niyati would agree to this. Gourd curry is one of the flavors that we've given ode to Gujarat. That's a flavor I don't think we've seen anywhere anybody using it in a beverage. It's always been a pickle that's been consumed by Gujaratis and everybody around the world. But we've tried to utilize that in a beverage, which is the kombucha that we've made. And yes, Niyati's created an amazingly tasty flavor, Niyati. Would you like to say something about gourd curry? I mean, for me, that was tricky. I remember we discussing about that, and it's turned out amazing, guys. Everybody, please, we have a Smooch bar right after this session. Everybody try the flavors, whatever you like, and just grab a bottle and let us know how you feel about it. Niyati, to you.
I just think somewhere maybe half from South India and I'm half Gujarati. I've grown up eating chunda and gold curry with my theplas at home, and it would be wrong for me to not maybe see how I can explore the flavor more and bring it in almost a drink format. So I think that was my childhood was sort of my inspiration behind gold curry.
Thank you. Can't agree more because I'm a Gujarati myself and goat curry is my favorite with theplas, of course.
The gourd has the curry also. They two who tango together, and two of them who really worked hard on the ingredients. So I think all the four youngsters that are there here, they've done a phenomenal job, and I wish you the very best.
Thank you. Okay, I have a question.
There's another very interesting fact that, of course, I knew all along, but I think Niyati discussed that today, and she mentioned it to me. There's this one particular flavor called the Naga pepper, and that's a very beautiful flavor. That is one of Ahan's and Tia's most favorite drink. Why is the Naga pepper so difficult to get? I think that's something that is very, very interesting when it comes to the non-availability. If sometimes it's not available, the drink might not just be available for 6 months. And there's a reason behind it. What's that reason?
So the thing with Naga pepper is it's one of the rarest ingredients, not just in India but in the world. The only reason for its rarity is because it's actually found in the forests of Nagaland. So even if you try to, you can't grow it. You can only forage for it. And the tribal people, they know exactly where to really find this, and they go ahead and they get the Naga pepper. So as Sir rightly put, sometimes you might not even get it in season. So it's
Like
very
truffle.
rare. Yeah, it's like truffle.
Thank you so much for wonderful insights. I have a question for you, Neeraj. Can you share a funny or unexpected story that happened during the creation of Smooch?
It's a long journey, guys. First of all, thank you everyone for coming here. We really appreciate the monsoon, the traffic, the trains, and everything has been here today. We appreciate all of your presence today. Coming to your question, Saloni, yes, there have been many instances we have experienced during this process of 8 to 9 months where we have created or reached till here. One thing specifically which I would relate to from the generation today, when I discussed about kombucha with my kids, and we always say, like Sir mentioned, that it is not bar of any borders or age, because this drink do cater guilt-free from toddlers to grandparents. And one thing which we were amazed, and it was funny kind of, because I didn't know kombucha a few months, or I would say a couple of years back. When I spoke to my daughters, I have 2 little daughters, and when I spoke to them, I was, to my surprise, they knew what kombucha is and how good it is for the health. So Kajal and I were like, to my surprise, that today's generation knows where the healthy things are available, and at least they are educated. So that was something which was funny, which was to our notice.
That was funny, but it was very cool that the youth, the future generation is getting more aware, especially for the healthier beverages. So thank you so much for the wonderful insights. And now I request, please, Niyati and all, kindly take your seats. Moving further with the press conference, audience, now it's your turn to ask the questions. Feel free to ask any questions regarding the brand, the product, Smooch. Sir, may I have you and Mr. Neeraj seated? Over to you, audience.
Any questions?
Mr. Neeraj, please may have a seat. And
अलग से बाइट कर
we
लेंगे
also like
यहाँ शाम
you
को
to
चलना
have a
कब
seat
से जा रहे हैं ट्रेन में
and help answer the questions.
वो बाइट कर लेगा हाँ
Alright, so with President and once again I request all of you. No personal questions, only brand related questions.
Any questions?
No questions. Let them taste it. Actually, you got a question.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, I would like to ask, how were you? What was your introduction to kombucha? How did you?
I think I tried it first in the US of A, and because I was looking for a drink other than lemonade, and a friend of mine offered it to me, and I really liked it, and I felt it made a big difference to the way I felt after food or after I consumed it. And then it was when Sagar came to me with Niyati, I think it was Sagar more so with a friend of mine, Ramesh ji, who's also here, and said, you know, these kids have come up with something brilliant and you need to look at it. And when I heard the name kombucha, I said, this is worth a try. And then I think I tried the Naga pepper for the first time. And that's when I said, you know, this is something that will make a big difference to children, because मीठे की जो हमारी आदत है कभी जाती नहीं है, ड्रिंक के हिसाब से हो या डिज़र्ट के हिसाब से. So I think this makes for a beautiful companion with food or otherwise.
Any other questions?
मेरा चलता है